Hi guys!
Hi guys! Hi guys!
Para maganda yung angle nito. Yeah. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Now, today for today's vlog, going to unbox the iPhone 12 Pro! Yeah! So ayun na nga, dumating na siya yung pre-order ko from Powermac Center via Viber. Tadam! Wow, I like the blue. Okay, I have to pull the plastic. Just let's see. Wow, satisfying. Like that. Plastic. Okay, open it. Wow! Look at that, the Pacific blue. Okay, let's put it out of the box. Oh, amazing. Dati wala silang papel sa screen. Ngayon meron na. See? May cover siya. Masyadong maliwanag. And let's put aside the iPhone. Let's put aside the iPhone itself. What's inside the box? The Type-C lightning cable. And some small documents. The SIM ejector. And one Apple sticker sa old iPhone nila. Dalawa to dati. And some small papers like that. Wala na. Wala na. That's all. Okay, let's unwrap the paper from the iPhone itself. Tingnan natin yung kanyang ceramic screen. OMG! I love it! It's like so luxurious. Luxurious! Gonna open na. So lang press natin. Okay. Dapat may hello. Ah, the Apple itself. Wait. Sugalog. Ah, yun. Kita mo po. Hello.
Ulit. Bakla, magbasa kasi. Nakalagay, swipe to open.
To open. Anong labas? Okay. So, we're gonna click the English. Set your country or region. Okay. Next, quick start. Set up manually. Face ID. How to set a Face ID? Get started. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Okay. Oh. Flip. Face scan ID scan complete. Continue. Reposition. Move your head slowly to complete the circle. Face ID complete. Face ID is now set up. Congratulations! Welcome to iPhone! Yay! Finally!
Welcome to iPhone. Me and my iPhone 12. Wah! Dumating na siya. Wah! Ano ka, girl?
Swipe up to get it started! Okay, para swipe it na! Shanan! Okay, next naman natin. I-unbox yung mga natanggap kong freebies. Shanan! Worth 15K. So, ayun na nga. Since nag-pre-order ako ng December 11 via Viber, kasi nung online, 12:01 pa lang nagbukas na sila online yung Powermac Center. Hindi ko na ma-open, dami nang gumagamit. So, ayun, nakatulugan ko. Nag-abang na lang ako sa Viber, ang opening nila is 10 AM. Fill up na ako ng form, tapos sinubmit ko na kung anong unit gusto ko. Tapos wait na ako ng 7 working days for the deliver. Ang start ng deliver is December 18. Hello pala sa mga anak ko. Shoutout ko pa sa Galaers dyan. Kamusta kaya? Okay, let's start first. Ano kaya to? Dito or dito? Okay. Ay, wikili-kili. Okay, number 1. Oh, the Cope Idea 9000 mAh power bank. Ayan, kita niyo po. Ayan. Magkano to? It's 700 pesos from PMC online. Okay, down 1. Oh! Next, the Omnia X1 USB-C fast wall charger. Dude, it's 20 watts. So, mabilis nga po siya. Hindi siya mag-charge. It's worth 1,000. The UAG Urban Armor Gear. The iPhone case. UAG civilian case for iPhone 12. Mallard. It's worth 2,390 pesos. A USB-C Lightning 1.2. Baby. Hi, babe. Before anything else. Kala niyo may babe. Walang ganun, Mars. It's worth 1,099 pesos. The Panzer Glass Screen Protector. Antibacterial Panzer Glass. It's worth 1,690 pesos. Oh, another case. Urban Armor Gear case ulit. Mauve case. Color mauve. It's worth 1,890 pesos. Spec Procedure Perfect Clear for iPhone 12. Worth 1,490 pesos. It's a Panzer Glass Spray for your screen. Screen cleaner. It's worth 499 pesos. The iPhone grip. It's worth 590 pesos. Last but not the least, the Belkin Boost app of 7.5 watts wireless charging promo. It's worth 1,790 pesos. Okay, complete na natin. Baka meron pa. Oh, meron pa. Okay. Thank you for choosing Powermac Center. Okay, we're done. That's all for my today's video. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share, and please hit the notification bell. Thank you. God bless.